Hi guys, Jim Mayer here at MD&M West in Anaheim, California. I'm working today with PICO. PICO's got an amazing booth. We're in booth 3709 if you catch us and we're still going. I'm with Shayna Watson. Shayna, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, I'm Shayna. I'm the Events and Partner Marketing Manager here at PICO. Manage all of our events, and we've got a really fun assembly contest going on today. You could win $100 if you have the fastest assembly time. It's a few steps to assemble a little trinket, and we want to see how fast everyone can do it. So we're giving away $100 every day for the fastest time of the day. If you want to win $100 and test out your skills and bring your colleagues, come try it out.
That's awesome. So $100 if you can assemble something the fastest using their technology here. Come on by. Again, booth 3709. We're going to have a lot of fun. You can also come by, have some conversations with me and the rest of the PICO team. We're here all day. They're here all week.
I'm Steve Wishaw at PICO. I lead our product team. I'll be walking you through the assembly contest here we have at our benches. So I'll be walking through the steps that it's going to take to be able to get the top place in our contest here. So as a quick overview of the steps available, we're going to parse out the information that's on your badge. You scan that with our zebra scanner that's available. That's going to be automatically parsing out that information. Now, as we highlight the capabilities of PICO here, but also we want to enable you as you're building. So whenever I do things on the build here, it's going to be keeping up with me as I'm building. You don't have to constantly be interacting with the screen. If I hit the foot switch down here, it'll record things like the ambient temperature. Same goes for if I record a serial number on a part here. I'm going to pop this into my build. Once I scan that again, it's just going to record that information as I go. That screen tap works just as well as other things, but we can see that our camera AI detection has detected a good image. I make sure that I've got a good image here as well, just for record keeping, so I don't have to open this thing up again in the future. I can confirm that looks good. And now I want to just seal this thing up. I will grab my 2 screws here and fasten my enclosure. We're using Ingersoll Rand QXX pistols here. Any torque tool that can communicate via open protocol will work just fine. We're going to record that information, generate a serial number, sends it to our label printer. We slap that on. We confirm that as our final serial number to complete our build. We slap our button and we're done. So I was about a minute and a half, but I bet the winner is going to be closer to a minute as we get closer to the end of the trade show.
What was your time?
1:17, 1:18.
Nice. Well done.